Hey everyone, it's Verona here. I am going to be sharing with you today how I package and get ready to ship my Depop items and hopefully give you guys some advice and help you out on how you can package your items as well. First things first, you want to get your poly mailers. I got these off of Amazon. They're a really small size, but I find them useful. I have a Sharpie and I have my phone for the address that I need to send it off to. Also, I have these cute little gifts to throw in. You don't have to, it's completely optional, but I like to give a little bit extra. This is also completely optional, but I spray perfume on my clothes. Some people might not like it, but a lot of my customers give good reviews on it. And of course, you want the clothing that you're going to be shipping out. And now that we're all ready, let's get started. The first item I sold was this Guess off-shoulder top. Here it is on me and before it got sold. And right now I'm just tucking in all of the little tags, making sure it looks nice. I also make sure there's no pet hair, nothing like that. And then I'm folding it very nice and neat. You want to make it look nice, even though it's already sold. You want to make it look nice still because you don't want to give them a bad representation of your store. So just folding it really nice and neat and packable. So you want to fold it really tiny so you're able to pack it right in easily. Normally before I do all of this, I write the address first on the poly mailer. So I'm just showing you guys an example of what I would write. So my name, their address, and then I would pack it and put a little gift in there. And again, like I said, this is completely optional. You don't have to spray the perfume, but my customers always compliment the scent and they seem to enjoy it. I don't know how your customers will react, but it's been working for me, so that's just a little extra I do. And then I just pack everything in there, nice and neat. And then when I am unstickering, I usually flatten it out beforehand so it's nice and neat. I'm going to put it to the side so I can write the address later, and I'll show you how I do this next package. The next item I sold was these straight leg kind of vintage 80s fashion pants. And here's what they look like when I was taking a picture of them. So now I am folding them up, making them look really nice with the folding as well. Making sure there's no hairs, no little furries, nothing like that. And then I'm packing it really tiny so it can fit in the poly mailer. Okay, so now I'm actually getting their address and I'm going to be writing it down on the packages. This is probably the most crucial step. You need to make sure you're paying attention and double checking, triple checking, because you want to get the address right as well as the right item in the right package. So I'm just gonna fast forward through this step for safety purposes, but you do want to make sure you write your address on the top and their address in the middle. This specific customer that bought these pants, they're a regular customer. They've made plenty of purchases from me before, so I'm actually going to give them two little gifts. in appreciation of them always coming back to my shop. So I'm just getting everything ready. I have the address all written down and I'm just packing it all in. And like I said, I'm straightening out the packages so when I take off the sticker, it'll stick pretty aligned together. It doesn't have to be exact, but you do want to make sure it's secure and it looks decent. So here I'm just repeating the process, writing the address down on the guest shirt, making sure the gift's in there with the shirt, and then packing it all in after I wrote everything down. Alright, so that was the process of packaging my items that I've sold on the shop. It's pretty easy. I just want to make sure everything's very nice and organized. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped you a bit. If you guys do have any other Depop questions, I'll be happy to help you out. If you guys are interested in seeing my Depop page, my Depop is just Virona, and I also attached a link below so you can click on it if you want to check my stuff out. Thank you again, guys. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.